You ready?
Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gon' do. Hey. Well, if you guessing it's me, you guess correctly. I just say what a stallion. You swear I wasn't equestrian. I'ma hit up with that fight. Call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens. Call us vegetarians. You be on that minor league, but we smoke professionally. I do my job exceptionally. On point like a decimalist. The way I ride on the beat, man, I beat up the street. It's done so effortlessly. Yeah, so this niggas can't sleep on me. There's no inception in this bitch. I'm top chef, you top rum, and I'm top shelf. No last call, tell the bartender what you got left. Pour it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, cause we everywhere, you not there. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds, yeah. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up.
I'm faded, minding my own data, smoking on that strong, that Arnold Schwarzenegger. Essentially, you bitch, you hot as an igloo. Kick back on that Glock, call that jujitsu. Hello, running with a yellow girl, number 2 Kinsu. These rappers is washed up, spin cycle, with you, my nigga. All day, all night, half pipe. I dive in that pussy, yeah, I belly fly my jackknife and shit. Tell my homies that I say it's a party. Yeah, got that tech for technical difficulties. I'm top dog, you top rhyming, I'm top dog. My room, gangsters, outlaws.
All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. B.O.B. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. Well, ain't no question, yes, it's B.O.B. yes, definitely. Up in the studio, I got all my necessities. If you want that real shit, you make the right selection. I'm the king till I die. Yes, I rep that definitely. They say I'm a celebrity. What the fuck's a celebrity? I guess I must invest in the proper form of protection. And I say it's a curse, but it's still mostly a blessing to a nigga from the hood. Trying to aim for the top, I didn't even need no directions. I just wake up and then I roll up the perk. These niggas wake up on my dick. At least have some breakfast first. Nigga, keep your nerves straight first. And your mind on my lyrics, cause what you hoping to accomplish, I already did it. Bitch, all we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. Strange clouds. All we do is pour it up, all night, drink down. That's all we do. And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds. I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model chin, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that shit look like a tooth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and the suicide doors, Ari Kari. Look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh. Look at me now, yeah. Fresh little motherfucker, little nigga bigger than the real, cause I'm feeling every nigga that can try to be on my shit. Got a couple chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she actually really super fun alone. So I'm saying, oh my dick, I don't really know saying oh my dick, but since you tell me about my dick, all of you need to say hi to me, I'm done.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away, but I know that I don't, and I won't. If I stop, 'cause you know I gotta win every day. See the really, really wanna pop
I move a little foul, nigga better call a rap and everybody know my style. Nigga know that I'm the best when it come to doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging the east, and I'm banging in the west, and I kinda give you more, and I would never give you less. You will hear it in the street, or you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next?
Let's go. See the way we on it and we all up in the race, and you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace, and we struggling and hustling and set it and get it, and we always gotta do it, take it to another place, gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the dome, and I know I gotta have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah.
Pressure to the man, fuck these bitch ass niggas. How y'all doing? I'm the Tunche. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the shit. No, I'm pollution. No substitution. Got a bitch that play